consider the situation here and the way this email is written. Hi Raj, I don't understand why this is pending. We discussed this last week and you said it will be done. The delay is really impacting us and it is not acceptable at this point. We need this immediately. Please send it as soon as possible. Do you see anything wrong here? Well, I think it sounds so frustrating that I am following up with this person, and the way I have written is, we are not asking or providing any deadline, no impact explained clearly, and of course, if we going to be that rude, it may also damage the relationship. This is where Microsoft Copilot coaching can help you. So what we can do here in this case is we can take help of Copilot coach. So let's click here on this down arrow, which gonna give you more functionality from Copilot. So one such here is coaching. So let's click here on coaching. So what coaching will do is it will analyze your email and will see the tone. Okay, and we'll let you know the tone. So here we can see it kind of catch our tone. And it is saying that, use more diplomatic language. The email clearly communicates the urgency, but the tone could be softened to encourage a more positive response and maintain a respectful relationship. And which it should happen, if somebody is doing these kind of things professionally. So Copilot coach can help us by flagging that my tone sound too harsh and my deadline is vague. So what we can do here is, we can look for suggestion. So here we can see all these 3 suggestions and subheading provided by Copilot coach, which is guiding us to write it in a more diplomatic way. Based on that, here, if you click on apply suggestion, you can see that the following is the suggested email. Now, when we see the suggested email, here you can see it started with thanks for your effort, and then I think this one is too soft. But at the same time, here we can see it is also saying that if there is any obstacle, please let me know, which is not mentioned here. So in a way, this email is kind of trying to find out root cause behind the delay. Okay, so it's up to you. You can accept it or you can modify content. And again, if you think that this email is quite soft, you can go down and you can change the tone. For example, this is quite diplomatic. I'm gonna go direct. So when I'm gonna select the direct, you're gonna see the email is a little bit more direct. Now again, if we go here, again, let me open it separately. We also have option to make it shorter as well. So in this way, the Copilot coach can help us understanding the tone of our email and can also give you suggestion, and then you can also manually fix it. So this way, Copilot coach help you to analyze your email and suggest you to write it more efficiently. Hope guys you find this video helpful and informational. If so, then please make sure you subscribe to Technoholic to see more such content related to productivity, and I will catch you soon with one such another video. Till then, you take care and bye bye.